Hi everybody, Paul here again. If you're ever driving a vehicle and notice a lack of power when you push down on the gas pedal, then you have a condition known as engine hesitation during acceleration. This condition will occur when something is wrong with either the fuel, air, or ignition system, and in some cases, it can also occur from a faulty transmission. One big caveat is engine hesitation during acceleration can occur with no check engine light on the dashboard. What I'm going to talk about in this video is a component that commonly gets overlooked, which can cause engine hesitation during acceleration. So stay tuned. This is what the component looks like, which is called a mass airflow sensor, also referred to as a MAF sensor. It'll be located on the air intake hose between the air filter box and the throttle body. It'll also have an electrical harness attached to it. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, which helps the computer determine how much fuel the engine needs. What I'm going to show is a simple test that anyone can perform to see if the mass airflow sensor is bad. You'll even find this test in some repair manuals, which is called a tap test. With the vehicle running at operating temperature and idling, take the butt end of a screwdriver handle and repeatedly tap on the mass airflow sensor. If the engine responds in any way by changing RPMs or stumbling or stalling, then the mass airflow sensor is bad and needs to be replaced. Always use genuine OEM parts to avoid additional problems. And while you guys are working on your cars, I'll be trying to set a new world record standing on my hat.